and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing a clean with me. Let's just get into the video. Dries first, so I'm going to put this in the dryer and then put the other in the washer. More clothes. We have a lot of clothes, by the way. So that is all for the clothes. Now I'm going to move on to the bathroom counters and I'll update you when I'm doing them. This is what we're working with. I'm going to go ahead and clean this up, and yeah. So right here I have powder, highlighter, lipstick, eyeshadow palettes, brushes, concealers, toothbrush, and my eyelash curler. That is done now. This is the soap I use. It's not perfect, but it's done now. So I'm just I'm back, so I'm going to be doing some cooking now. I'm cooking supper. This is going to be a cleaning and cooking video. So I'm doing some chicken and I'm doing a steak for myself. But I'm going to do some chicken for other people. So, yeah. Go ahead and season this up and I'll be right back. I'm going to show you everything. Okay, so I'm going to take my chicken breast and I'm going to slice it like that. And I'm going to go sideways to make it kind of like a grill cut. I'll do that to the other two. I'm going to do some mac and cheese. I'm going to go ahead and pour it in there. And I'm just going to flip this chicken. First you can hear the dogs in the back. Alright, so now we're going to finish the mac and cheese. I'm going to put some more butter just to melt in it. I'll be right back when it's melted. There's the stick I did. Garlic.